of India Somalia, delegation from India here in Rio as part of Operation Sindoor. In forward, I invite Dr. Abu Sofil of Rahman from Him Show Entertainment. Please.
Thank you, Davis. Ladies and gentlemen, distinguished guests, most welcome. A heartfelt welcome to the parliamentary delegation in Latvia under the global diplomatic initiative called Operation Sindoor, launched in response to the recent terror attack in Pahalgam that claimed the lives of 26 Indians. Let's introspect and then we will continue with this event. Thank you very much.
It was around 11:40 a.m. on 13th December 2001. A group of 5 terrorists attacked the parliament in New Delhi. They were equipped with dangerous assault rifles. 21 years ago, this attack killed 9 people. The deadly attack shook the entire country and stunned the world.
The car was carrying 5 terrorists, and the terrorists were carrying AK-47 rifles, grenade launchers, pistols, and grenades. As the car moved towards building gate number 12, one of the members of the Parliament House watch and ward staff became suspicious and forced the vehicle back. This created panic among the terrorists, forcing them to get down and open fire. The combat between the terrorists and security personnel lasted for over 30 minutes. All 5 terrorists, along with 8 security personnel and a staff member, were killed, and at least 15 people were reported injured.
26 नवंबर 2008 की शाम में 10 टेररिस्ट मुंबई के साउथ कोस्ट में आए थे और उन्होंने अटैक स्टार्ट करे जो 3 दिन तक चले। इनमें से एक अटैक हुआ ताज होटल, जहां 4 टेररिस्ट ताज को अटैक कर रहे थे। 6 और टेररिस्ट मुंबई के दूसरे भागों में आतंकवाद फैला रहे थे। ताज होटल में करीब 30 लोग मारे गए, जिसमें से 10 होटल के स्टाफ।
How dare somebody from across the border come right into the heart of the country and kill innocent people for what?
जम्मू एंड कश्मीर के अंदर जो अनंतनाग डिस्ट्रिक्ट है, इसके अंदर पड़ता है पहलगाम, को इंडिया का मिनी स्विट्जरलैंड भी कहते हैं। और यही वो जगह है जहां 22 अप्रैल को आतंकवादियों ने एक प्लान तरीके से हमला किया।
26 people were killed and many injured after terrorists opened fire on tourists in Jammu and Kashmir.
I say to the whole world, India will identify, track and punish every terrorist and their backers.
ऑपरेशन सिंदूर 22 अप्रैल को पहलगाम में हुए विभत्स आतंकवादी हमले के शिकार मासूम नागरिकों व उनके परिवारों को न्याय देने के लिए लॉन्च किया गया था।
9 terrorist camps were targeted and successfully destroyed.
सवाई नाला कैंप, सैयदना बिलाल कैंप, गुलपुर कैंप कोटली, बरनाला कैंप दिम्बर, अब्बास कैंप, छर्जल कैंप सियालकोट, महमूना जायद कैंप, मरकज ताइबा मुरीदी।
भारत पर आतंकी हमला हुआ तो मुंह तोड़ जवाब दिया जाएगा।
The Indus Waters Treaty of 1960 will be held in abeyance with immediate effect until Pakistan credibly and irrevocably abjures its support for cross-border terrorism.
Our aim was not to inflict casualties, but in case there have been, it is for them to come. Our job is to hit the target, not to count the body numbers.
ऑपरेशन सिंदूर अभी खत्म नहीं हुआ, जो कुछ भी हुआ और सिर्फ एक ट्रेलर मारो। अब सही जब सही समय आएगा, जब भी सही समय आएगा, तब पूरी पिक्चर भी दुनिया होगी।
ऑपरेशन सिंदूर के दौरान दुनिया ने पाकिस्तान का वो घिनौना सच भी देखा है, जब मारे गए आतंकियों को विदाई देने पाकिस्तानी सेना के बड़े बड़े अफसर उमड़ पड़े। स्टेट स्पॉन्सर्ड टेररिज्म का ये बहुत बड़ा सबूत है। पाकिस्तान के अवाम को आगे आना होगा, पाकिस्तान के नौजवानों को आगे आना होगा, सुख चैन की जिंदगी जियो, रोटी खाओ, मेरी गोली तो है।
Ladies and gentlemen, it's my privilege and honor to welcome and invite Her Excellency Namrata Satyadev Kumar, Ambassador of India to Latvia, for her opening remarks. Over to you, madam.
Namaskar everybody, very good evening to you all. Very pleased to see you all together here once again, assembled. Honorable members of Parliament, Ambassador Sir,
with India, with the spirit of India, and it shows how proud you are as Indians, and you know what is happening. You've been following what is happening in India. When our Indian tourists were attacked and we lost 26 lives, 26 innocent lives in front of their own families, loved ones, children.
We are going to witness many such events in future. The Indian community and Indian embassy will be going hand in hand. As the formal segment of this event concludes, we would like to remind everyone that the evening continues with a special screening of Kesari Chapter 2, a cinematic tribute to India's unmatched courage and spirit of sacrifice. We are thankful to Dharma Productions and Moviegoers Entertainment for enabling us this screening, which perfectly complements the message being part of this historic evening. This gathering is proof that no matter where we are in the world, the heartbeat of India continues to echo through courage, culture, and community. Let us end this evening on a high note. Let us stand up in respect to our national anthem. I would request our community members to come. Vande Mataram! Bharat Mata Ki Jai! Bharat Mata Ki Jai! Bharat Mata Ki Jai! Bharat Mata Ki Jai!
Can you click your picture? Thank you so much.
And all Indian community who are staying here, you already meet with them. What is your overall?
Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you.
It's such a touching moment to see something like this in Riga, far off place. But as I told earlier, Prime Minister derives his strength from this sort of celebrations.
There was a 10 years.